Hi, this video is meant to talk a bit about Pearson Plus. Recently, I've had students approach me and I've had faculty members ask, what is this Pearson Plus product? And so I'm demonstrating it here on my iPhone. Pearson Plus is the best way I can possibly describe it before I open the app up is it's like a Netflix for books at Pearson. So there's like a couple of subscription tiers, I think like $10 and $15 a month. $10 a month gets you access to one book. $15 a month, I believe, gets you access to unlimited books in the Pearson library. So it might be a beneficial, cost savings for students to, definitely use this product. If you go to the App Store and you download Pearson Plus, you'll see the icon to the right here of my App Store. You download that. As an instructor, you can contact your book rep and request access, and that's what I've done. So my library is actually completed with books. I'm going to click on the Pearson Plus product here. It's going to open up. And I teach a psychology class, so yes, I'm enjoying Pearson Plus. I teach a psychology class, so it's showing me the books, and actually I teach three. So here's a lifespan development book, and then here's my general psychology book, which I clicked on. Let me come back here. Sorry. To my experience using this, it's a lot like Revel, if you've ever used that product. So if I click on the book, if I touch the book here on the screen, it'll open it up. And, I was a little worried when I first learned about Pearson Plus that maybe it didn't have functionality like to take highlights or notes, but it in fact does. So I'm going to move to chapter 2, the biological perspective. Obviously, the embedded videos still work in the book. You can see here.
Just say you're walking home at night and you feel something.
And so all those, features still work. One of the really cool parts is that I was worried it was about taking notes. So I'm going to click on some text here. I'm going to hold down I'm going to change my selection here. And I can highlight just like you can in Rebel. And I can even add a note, study this for the test for exam 1. So just like you can do Revel, you can save those things. Even cooler, I think, that it can do this. Check this out. It can literally still, just like Revel, I touched the little ellipses there, read to you.
Chapter 2, The Biological Perspective.
So,
in your words, what do you...
our students may find this very beneficial in terms of just popping in the AirPods and, listening to a book. So it's a very cool product. I'm quite impressed by it. I think it's great. Again, it's like a subscription service, right? In our bookstore, I believe they even sell it like on a 4-month subscription block. But one book is $10 a month. Multiple books is $15 a month. And you can turn it off when the semester's over. And if you do the math, that's literally less than some of our textbooks cost if you just buy the single book. So I think students are going to be using this, and that's why I'm recording this video. Another thing I would mention about this product is if you're using specialized software that Pearson provides that is packaged with a book. For example, in my lifespan development class, I'll bring up the textbook here. Here's my lifespan development book. It does not have My Virtual Life, which is a specialized simulation software where students raise virtual babies, right? That's not in Pearson Plus. So I'm going to have to explain to my lifespan development students that the Pearson Plus subscription is not going to work for them, that they need the Revel ebook because that software's packaged with that book. I'm thinking possibly math, laboratory software, the Pearson products, and other courses that have specialized software could be problematic. But if you just have the book in your class, this is actually going to be a really effective tool for students to potentially use. Anyways, that wraps up this video. I just want to showcase Pearson Plus, explain it, show you how it works on my phone. I hope this helps you work with your students.